Hi, LW220 students. I hope you had a wonderful holiday weekend and you're ready to get back to work and start the second week of the fall 2019 semester. Last week, remember you were supposed to be reading 2 chapters. So you had Unit 1, which dealt with lifestyle choices and understanding the differences between the terms health and wellness. A lot of people believe that health is just a state of physical well-being, and if I'm not sick, I'm healthy, but actually that's not the case. It's a complete state of not only physical, but also social, emotional, psychological well-being in addition to just the physical. So it's achieving wellness in all those different areas. And when we look at the 6 dimensions of wellness, you want to make sure that we have balance in all 6 areas. And you're going to be doing a rating activity actually this week that deals with taking a closer look at each dimension of wellness and rating yourself on a scale of 1 to 10. So you can see for week 2, that assignment, 6 dimensions of wellness, is actually due this coming Sunday by 11:59 p.m., September 8th. So you're going to be going back to that first chapter and taking a closer look at each dimension of wellness and taking some time and determining how you're doing in each area. Wellness really is an active process of becoming aware of and making healthy choices in all different dimensions. So you might find you're weaker in some links and you're doing well in others. So I encourage you to really make an effort to improve on those areas that you are lacking. Last week, I did extend the deadline. Instead of it being Sunday night, I extended it to this Wednesday, September 4th. So you still have until tomorrow night, 11:59, to take quiz number 1 and submit that syllabus acknowledgement statement in the Dropbox. Now remember, quizzes are right here under the quiz button. So quiz number 1, you have until tomorrow night. So make sure that you take that quiz. It covers just chapters 1 and 2 in your textbook. Chapter 2, remember, dealt with chronic diseases and looking at the risk factors and, the positive risk factors, things that increase the likelihood of us suffering from one of these chronic conditions. The assignments button is where you're going to find the syllabus acknowledgement statement folder. So you're going to go ahead and put that document or that statement inside that folder for grading. Week 2 of the class, like I said, you have your 6-dimensional wellness assignment that's due. So that's where you're going to be going back and reviewing those 6 dimensions. So to find a description on how to do that assignment, you're going to go to the week 2 module in your course here under the content button. So if you go down to week 2, you'll see I have lecture notes for chapter 3 and 4, which are the 2 chapters you're going to be reading this week. So in addition to reading the chapters in your textbook, you're going to be viewing those lecture notes. I also have put together a short PowerPoint presentation on becoming fit and achieving aerobic fitness. So here you'll see the assignment instructions for the 6 dimensions. So if you pull that up, I'd like you to follow my step-by-step. So step 1, you're going to watch just a short YouTube video. So please take some time and watch that initially. So in addition to reading the information in your textbook, you're going to watch this video, and then you're going to start answering these questions. Okay, so please take the time to fully answer each question. If you're not, if you're only giving maybe 1 or 2 sentence answers, definitely you will probably be having points deducted, because for each dimension, you're not only rating yourself, but you're also explaining why you rated yourself the way you did, so giving a thorough explanation. And make sure you give examples in your life that either contribute or detract from this particular areas of wellness. Okay, and this definitely should reflect how you feel as of today. So make sure you're fully answering each question. You're giving full explanations where needed in order to get total points on that assignment. So you can just type that assignment into a Word document, and you can submit it right here in the assignments folder here. So under assignments, just go to the 6 dimensions of wellness and drop it right there in that drop box, and I will grade it for you. So those are the 2 major items this week. So make sure from last week you're getting the items done by tomorrow night, 11:59 p.m. But for this week 2 of the course, you do have until Sunday. So from here on out, deadlines for all assignments each week will be Sunday nights by 11:59 p.m. Okay, so again, for week 2, you have the 6 Dimensions of Wellness assignment, but you also have quiz number 2. Quiz number 2 covers chapter 3, Becoming Fit, and chapter 4, Aerobic Fitness. Okay, so make sure you've read through those chapters prior to taking those assessments. If you have further questions or concerns, feel free to email me. But I hope you have a great day and a great start to week number 2 of the semester.